Hello, class 502. Today is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, and today we're going to be doing Four Faces in Rock, the reading book, okay? So let's get started. Four Faces in Rock. What are the four faces in rock? What has 8 eyes, 4 noses, 4 mouths, and chins, and no ears? Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is a mountain. It is also a national memorial. The faces of 4 American presidents are carved into the mountain. Mount Rushmore is one of the largest works of art in the world. It is so big, you can see it from 60 miles away. Let's see if we got it. Okay, 60 miles away. Can you name the faces you see on Mount Rushmore? George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, and the next one is Theodore Roosevelt. Those are the four faces. Mount Rushmore is in the Black Hills of South Dakota. These mountains span more than 1 million acres of land in South Dakota and Wyoming. Mount Rushmore covers more than 1,000 acres of the Black Hills. It is about 25 miles from Rapid City, South Dakota. So here's the map. This is where Mount Rushmore is. Rapid City is right there. It's about 25 miles. Okay. How big is Mount Rushmore? Mount Rushmore stands more than 5,000 feet tall. Each face on the mountain is about 60 feet, 720 inches tall. That is 80 times bigger than most people's faces. If the whole body of each president was carved, it would stand about 465 feet tall. So, here's to give you an example. This would be George Washington. This is Theodore Roosevelt. And this is the Statue of Liberty. And a person is about 6 feet tall, right? The Statue of Liberty is 305 feet tall. And if they were to do the whole person instead of just the head, 465 feet tall. That's how big it would be. Okay? How was Mount Rushmore made? A man named Gutzon Borglum made the four faces. First, Borglum made small models of the faces using old paintings and photographs of the presidents. A measurement of 1 inch on the model equaled 1 foot on the mountain. Nose on the model was 20 inches, so the nose on the mountain was 20 feet. Workers built the faces using Borglum's models. Okay? Work on the mountain began in 1927. Almost 400 men worked on the mountain. To do the work, cables less than 1 inch wide were fastened to the mountain. Workers hung from the ends of the cables in small saddles. From the saddles, they used dynamite and hand tools to cut the faces into the rock. So you have a hand drill, a hammer, and a chisel. All right? What is Mount Rushmore like today? The four faces on Mount Rushmore greet more than 2 million visitors each year. It took 14 years and $1 million to finish carving the faces in the mountain. Today, we think of Mount Rushmore as priceless. Mount Rushmore National Memorial is a popular place to visit. So a couple of words. An acre, a unit for measuring land, is 43,560 square feet. A cable is a thick, strong rope made of twisted fiber or wire. Memorial, something built or done to remember a person, group of people, or event. A mile, a unit for measuring feet, 5,280 feet. Model, a small copy of something. Priceless, having great worth. Okay. So that is the book. Make sure you reread it again by yourselves at least once. If you have any questions, call or email the school and we will help you out. But that is our lesson for today, guys. So I will see you next time, okay? Have a good day.